Today we will learn how to install Arch Linux in Raspberry Pi 2. Go to this website. I will follow this instruction. I am using an 8 GB SD card. Open the disk utility and find your SD card's mount location. Hook up your SD card and open the terminal. I am using Manjaro, but you can use any Linux distribution. Use commands carefully because if you make a mistake and format another drive, you will lose all data. So check your SD card's mount location twice. Create and mount the FAT file system. Create a directory called boot and then we mount our SDA1. Since my SD card mount point is SDA, create and mount the ext4 file system. Create a directory called root and mount SDA2. Now we will download and extract Arch Linux. Sync command will take some time. For me, this took around 10 minutes. Move boot files to the first partition, which is SDA1 in this case. Unmount both partitions. Now remove your SD card and attach to your Raspberry Pi. SSH into your Pi. Use the password ALARM. Change to be root user and password is also root. Initialize the pacman keyring and populate the Arch Linux ARM package signing keys. Use this command to check your Arch Linux version. Last thing we need to do is to update and upgrade our Arch Linux by using pacman. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.